Hey guys, I'm Anshita and welcome back to my channel. This video is about hair and I personally have been struggling with oily hair recently. There are times when I want to go out but I don't feel like washing my hair and I still want them to look presentable. So these hairstyles which I'm going to show you today are 5 of my go-to hairstyles to make oily or greasy hair look good. Let's just get into the video. So for the first hairstyle, I'm starting by middle parting my hair into two. Then I'll go on to gather all of my hair and tie them in a low ponytail. Now I'm just pulling out small strands of my hair because I personally feel that it makes my ponytail look better, but you can skip this step if you want to. So this next hairstyle is a very easy one and is my personal favorite. For this look as well, I'm starting by parting my hair from the middle into two, and then I'm going ahead and pulling small strands of my hair to make the whole hairstyle look a little more messy. Now I'll just go ahead, make a low bun and then secure it with a rubber band. Now all you have to do is loosen up the bun and your hair a little like so, and your messy low bun is done. Wow, that just rhymed. So this third hairstyle is a half of ponytail, half up ponytail, and for this I'm just going ahead and gathering all my hair in the crown area together, then tying them together with a scrunchie. For this next hairstyle, I'm starting by side parting my hair and then pulling out some strands to make it look more messy as well as cute and feminine. Then I'll just go ahead and tie a regular braid. I'm again just loosening up my hair a little bit since I'm going for a messy look, and then it's done. So the last hairstyle is a simple high ponytail, and for this I'm just gathering all of my hair together and then tying them, and that's pretty much it. I've used the scrunchie to tie my hair because I feel that it makes the whole hairstyle look a little more cuter, but that's just my personal opinion, so you can use a regular rubber band as well. And this is the final look. So that was it for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram as well, and I'll see you next time. Till then, spread love. Bye.